happy Tuesday. Okay, it's Tuesday when this video is going up, but it should have been up yesterday for Mix It Up Monday, but y'all forgive me, your girl's a working girl now. But the whole point of this video is Mix It Up Monday, because I know y'all are like me, where you have all these foundations laying around. This one does this one does this, but how do they match up when you mix them together? Some formulations don't go together, some do, depend on what's in them, but that's my job to tell you all what they do, how they work, and if it's going to be worth mixing or not. So, Healthy Vitalist by CoverGirl. I've been loving this foundation because of the vitamins and everything that's in it, and it gives a nice natural dewy glow. And then we got the all-time favorite, the FENTY Pro Matte Filter, however that go. I'm going to link my detailed review on both of these, but I've been wearing this combo and it leaves such a flawless base that I just want to tell you all about it. So my primer of choice today is the Too Faced RX Hangover Primer. And I'm looking like the Tin Man right now of Wizard of Oz, because underneath my foundation, this is a layer of the Maybelline Master Hot Scrubbing Liquid. It just gives a nice glow from within, and it's sticky, so that base will grab on. And in my stubborn T-zone area, the Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying, we just going to put that over my stubborn pores, which y'all, I have been working on. I got a video for that coming up as well. I'm going to apply these foundations with a beauty blender. So let's see. Now, originally when I did this foundation review for the CoverGirl, I was disappointed because that soft sable was just not deep enough for, I would say, even the average girl's skin tone. So I found that a lot of people still bought it to see what it was like, but never pick it up again. And it is an awesome mixer, especially if you have a foundation that's a little too matte, where it's leaving you a little on the dry side. And this time of year, fall, I love this type of weather. Your makeup could be kind of sweat proof. It just depends on where you are and what you're doing. So if you have some of those foundations that's a little too luminous, a little too glowy, this is the time of year you want to be wearing them. Not only that, mix them with something. So that's my whole point of this, because I'm combo oily. Day to day, I don't know how my skin is going to react. I don't know if I'm drier this day. I don't know if I'm a little more oily this day. So mixing foundations has been my life. And studying chemistry in college, I just have a tendency of reading what's in a foundation and seeing how they coagulate together. I know most people don't care about that, but you know, I'm that nerdy girl swag beauty vlogger. I'm nosy. I gotta know everything. So what I just did is I concealed with my Sephora Bright Future Concealer, which is my skin tone, and my NARS, just to add a little extra lightness. I don't need it too bright because of lightness. I'm going to take my 90 brush by Sephora and my Sephora Micro Smooth and tie everything together. And this is the finished product, and this is just such a flawless base. Mixing these two together, let me come closer. And I'll put on some blush, highlight, and all that good jazz, and come right back. Beat all that just to go to work. But if you're not following me on Snapchat, I'm going to put my Snapchat and Instagram, Insta stories. I'm going to put my handles below, because I'm going to be snapping and Insta stories all day from work, just to give the timetable and see what we're set up like. It's 10 o'clock. No, it's 9:30 a.m. Oh, I got up early. It's 9:30 a.m. So I have to go to one job from 11 to 2 and then from 3 to 10. So this is going to be an all-day event, and see if I stayed dewy, luminous, glowy. Did it break down too much? Did I look oily? We just going to get the tea on all things Fenty times CoverGirl. I'm going to name this video Name a Better Duo. Just like this brown liner and a pink lip. Name a better duo. If y'all got some good duos, drop them below, and see y'all later tonight. Alrighty, I am back. Let me get in the frame. Let me come closer. You all, I have had my face done since 9:30 a.m. It is now 11:20 p.m. and this is what I'm looking like. Way closer more than I should, but I want y'all to look at my high pore area and see how I'm still holding up. I want you to see my highlight, my contour, my blush is still holding up. Now I am on the dewy side. It was a nice 61 crisp, not humid, sun was out, and this is the time that you break out your glowy, your dewy foundations because it's going to sit just right. And I think this combination, Name a Better Duo, this is it. Of course, I knew this. I just didn't bring it to you all. So I want you all to play with your foundations and mix it up. If you have that Fenty, if you have that CoverGirl, or if you have something a little more dewy, clash it with that Fenty or clash it with one of them mattes. And I think you're going to get a flawless fall. Only my eyes are watery and my bottom shadow already disappear, but I'm still intact. Flawless fall. Name a Better Duo. Fenty, CoverGirl, True Vitalist. See y'all next video.